Okay, so today on our Python tutorial, we're going to go over something very basic just to get started. It's the print command in Python. So you're going to print, and then you're going to have your parentheses, and we're going to go over more than that. But we're going to basically starting out with the print command here today. So let's close out of that and get over into our code. So as you can see, I did print and hello world. Now, if you notice, it's in quote marks. So this way, because if not, like say you don't have these quotes around it, you watch an error because this is technically a string. So it's got to be in the quote marks, or otherwise it will error out. So we go to run. Let's see, it's not going to work. You got to have in quote marks. Single or double, but yeah, see, hello world. Okay, so now what we're going to do something a little bit more fun. So if you said A equals, say, the number 1, right? And B equals, and B equals 1. So now we're going to come down to print. And what you can do here, you're going to need to take away the quote marks because this isn't a string, it's an integer. So you could do, say, A plus B. All right? And then if we run it, see, we get the answer of 2 because we're actually adding the two integers together. So like I said, very basic stuff for the print command, but it works. And let me show you just one other thing here too, is if we're going to take a while to get into if then statements, but so you could do, say, hello world, right? We'll go back to doing hello world again. Okay, so if we go back up to the top, okay. So what you could do, this is very basic syntax, but you get the point. So you do if, we're going to, like I said, we're going to get to this later on, but if you do 5, say, is less than 2, right? So, and then you can do, say, it prints because 5 is more than 2. Where this would come into use is on an input string, which we'll get to. But say you had A equals, and whatever number somebody would import, say, I don't know, say 7. And then you had B, the input for B would say 3. You could do if A is greater than B, print hello world. See? Now watch, if we do this, say we go up here and change B, say, to 20, right? And we hit print. If you notice, didn't print it because B now is bigger than A. So again, and then if you notice too, you have to tab in when you're doing an if statement. Like I said, we'll get into all that in later tutorials. But I just wanted to give you a kind of a quick overview of what the kind of stuff we're going to be doing with Python. And like I said, some of our programming videos that will be coming up here over the next couple of weeks. Thank you. And